He says because of the political or economical condition or because of religious unrest against the Ahmadis, some of the Ahmadis tend to leave the country, like Canada or Europe. So is it advisable? Is it agreeable? This is the question.
No harm. As long as they grow more by preaching in their country and they do not leave a vacuum behind, it's quite good. Migration is a dictate of Islam. Under certain conditions where life has been made miserable for just the difference of belief, then Islam permits migration. But at the same time, they go on preaching. So the people who leave more than one person as their substitute behind. In Bangladesh, this is happening now. Bangladesh, mashallah, is spreading through preaching at a much greater rate than it is decreasing in number through migration.